Students and teachers at the St. James High School today mourn the loss of one of their own, Tiana Clark, who was brutally murdered over the weekend. TVJ's Lana Franklin has that story.
It was not a usual Monday for the St. James High School as classmates of 14-year-old Tiana Clark laid flowers on her desk, a space left empty after her nude body with a wound to the head was found in an abandoned house meters away from her home in Cunningham Drive, Granville, St. James on Sunday. Young Tiana left home Friday evening after asking her mother for $10 to purchase a cup soup at a nearby shop, but she did not reach her destination. Here lies the $10 coin in the very spot where Tiana was brutally murdered.
My cousin called me and said to me, say, they didn't find one body over here and over there. I go looking for Tiana. I start crying now, I say, I don't have to look at Tiana. I know I don't certificate for here, because we try to keep your pass. I don't Tiana look. But then tell me, say, they lick him in the forehead. I can take a buckle and lick him in the forehead. And then she's asthmatic. So if you get a lick, it will kind of weak her out. And I think you say put a bag over her face, so I get one ladder bag or something. And then say she's naked.
At school, her classmates wrote notes expressing how much they miss her as counselors tried to take them through the grieving process.
We're not expecting this at this time. We're not. And to see a young child, a grade 8 student, promising student, being murdered, we don't know how to cope.
In the meantime, the police have taken a man into custody for questioning in connection with the girl's death. Community members taking the law into their hands set his house ablaze. Lana Franklin, TVJ News.